Okay, this is a Dearborn gas heater. It's a furnace. It's been sitting in the front room of this house since 1947, guzzling gas, natural gas. That's what the pipe is. Natural gas furnace. It's been sitting here since 1947 in this house. It burns $10 a month of gas just for the pilot light. That's how much gas it burns just for the pilot light. But I'm going to tear it out tomorrow, so I thought I'd make one last video of why this Dearborn heater has reached the end of life. It's a pretty cool thing. It has this is as good as they get for Dearborn heaters because it has a actual thermostat. It has an actual fan. See the wire there? See the plug? There's a fan in this thing. And down here at the bottom, this is interesting. This is the real magic. That's a thermostat, and it has a thermocouple that takes the temperature out here. See the thermocouple back there? Anyway, what a marvel, but it just wastes so much gas. It is so inefficient. It is just so inefficient, and it should not even exist. And so tomorrow morning I'm going to take it out in the street and smash it up with a hammer to make sure nobody else uses it. So let's turn off the light. And here's why. Here's why I'm going to smash it up. Let's turn it on. And I want you to listen to the sound of this as it goes whoosh. Okay, listen up. Put your earbuds on. And all the hot gases goes up here. That pipe gets so hot. Goes straight up into the chimney. Right out the chimney. If I go outside, you can see heat waves coming out of the chimney.